watching the girls passing by. It ain't the latest thing. I'm just standing in the doorway. I'm just trying to make some sense out of these girls passing by, the tales they tell of man. I'm not waiting on the lady, I'm just waiting on a friend. I'm just waiting on a friend. Okay, it's time to fulfill another Patreon request. Today we're doing Waiting on a Friend by Rolling Stones. I'll show you how to play it in the original key that the song is published in, and also I'll be doing it on a high G string ukulele. Although it doesn't really matter for this one, so grab your ukulele, no matter if it's high G or low G, and let's go. Okay, let's break this down. We have basically just two parts. Maybe the most complicated thing is the strumming pattern and how we're adding this D. But let's start with the intro, okay? We start with the C chord, then we add here any of your fingers on the second fret of the C string to make it C add 9, okay? Then to D minor very quickly to F, okay? And what I'm doing here, this is the tricky part. I'm playing just the C tone, and then I'm adding here on the second fret the middle finger, and I'm doing down, up, then one muted down, then on the off beat, I grab D minor, and then on the next off beat, I grab the F, okay? So very slowly, it sounds something like 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, this is used for the intro, and also after that in the solos there is a sax solo, I think there is a piano solo, I'm not really sure. Waiting on a friend, waiting on a friend, waiting on a friend. And after that we go to the verse, which is A minor to F, and I'm pretty much keeping the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up on the off beat. Down, down, up, and then G to C, and then G to G7, and then C, but again we are adding here to make it C at 9. Back to C, and this line is repeated one more time. And here, if we're going to another verse, we do exactly the same, and just at the end I do this on the A string, getting back to A minor. Passing by, tells the tale of man. I'm not waiting on the lady. And if we go to the chorus now, just waiting on, immediately here, we skip to the main part. The friend, I'm just waiting on a friend, waiting on a friend, waiting on a friend, waiting on a... And pretty much you just go between these two parts. It's a fairly simple song. Maybe the strumming pattern is the most challenging thing, but I'm pretty sure that you can do it if you put a little bit of effort on it. Now learn it and go play it for the friend that you're waiting on, and hopefully he or she will love it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.